these 3-tier cakes and different cakes have involved different techniques. Somebody has used baked cake, somebody has used fondant cake, somebody has used different techniques to mold it and shape it with pastelage.
It was amazing to see the talent in Delhi NCR because we've got participants from hotels and other academies as well. So it was great to see all this talent and honestly an honor to be judging all of it.
It's been a fabulous day and most stuffed day, literally, from year to year.
The way this competition has been organized, it's truly amazing.
Three days was a perfect opportunity to discover the level of energy, commitment, involvement of all the Indian students and chefs I had the opportunity to meet here, meet there, and I can tell I've seen beautiful things, beautiful commitment, involvement, passion also as well. So for me it was the best way, I think, to spend those first 3 days in India.